Hi beauties! Welcome back to Sorelle Beauty. I'm Michelle, the founder of Sorelle Beauty, and I'm so excited to have you here. Today we're talking about 5 common skincare mistakes and how to fix them. If you've been struggling with your skincare routine, don't worry, you're not alone. Our skin is our largest organ and it deserves all the love and care we can give it. But sometimes, even with the best intentions, we might be making some common mistakes that could be holding our skin back from looking and feeling its absolute best. Before we dive in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button to join the Sorelle Beauty community. The first mistake I want to talk about is overwashing your face. I know it can be tempting to cleanse multiple times a day, especially if you have oily skin or live in a humid climate. But trust me, it can do more harm than good. When we overwash, we strip away those natural oils that our skin produces to protect itself. This can lead to dryness, irritation, and even breakouts. Instead of reaching for your cleanser multiple times a day, stick to cleansing just twice, once in the morning and once at night. And when you do cleanse, be gentle. No harsh scrubbing, please. Choose a cleanser that's formulated for your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, combination, or sensitive. Mistake number 2 is a big one, my friends. Skipping sunscreen. Sunscreen is non-negotiable no matter your skin tone or the weather outside. Think of it as your skin's best friend, always there to protect you. UV rays can penetrate clouds, and even on overcast days, they can still damage your skin. And it's not just about preventing sunburn. Sunscreen is your secret weapon against premature aging. Those fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots that we all want to avoid. UV damage plays a huge role in those. So, make it a habit to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every single day. And don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're sweating or swimming. Chapter 3. Using the wrong products. Our next skincare slip-up is using products that just aren't right for your skin type. Using a product that's not formulated for your skin type can lead to a whole host of problems, from breakouts to dryness to irritation. Pay attention to how your skin feels and looks throughout the day. Is it oily, dry, a combination of both, or easily irritated? Once you know your skin type, you can start choosing products that cater to its specific needs. It's all about finding what your skin loves and sticking with it. Chapter 4. Not moisturizing enough. Now let's talk about mistake number 4, not moisturizing enough. And yes, this applies to all skin types, even if you have oily skin. Moisturizer isn't just about adding hydration, it's about balancing your skin and keeping its protective barrier strong. When our skin is properly moisturized, it's better equipped to defend itself against environmental aggressors like pollution and dry air. If you have oily skin, you might be thinking, won't moisturizer make my skin even oilier? The truth is, when your skin is dehydrated, it can actually overproduce oil to compensate. So, using a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer can actually help to control oil production and keep your skin balanced. Look for moisturizers that are labeled as non-comedogenic, which means they won't clog your pores. Chapter 5. Trying too many new products at once. And finally, let's talk about mistake number 5, trying too many new products at once. Introducing too many new products to your skin at once can be overwhelming. This can lead to irritation, breakouts, and even allergic reactions. Instead of going on a skincare shopping spree and trying everything at once, start by introducing one new product at a time. Give it at least a week or 2 to see how your skin reacts before adding anything else into your routine. And before you even apply a new product to your entire face, do a patch test. Apply a small amount to a discrete area of your skin and wait 24 hours to see if you experience any redness, itching, or irritation. That's a wrap. So there you have it, 5 common skincare mistakes and how to fix them. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in your routine. Which of these mistakes have you made? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like these. Contact me, visit us at 1243 McCoy Creekway, Suisun City, California. Call or text +1 707 853 3038. Follow us on Instagram at Sorelle_Beauty. Explore our website, sorellebeauty.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.